This is my quick review of this one for all smart control, universal remote control. I will simply tell you what I liked about it and what I disliked in case you're looking to purchase one. And by the way, I'll put links in the description to Amazon if you want to get one of these or other models of universal remote control. So let's get started. The first thing I liked the first time I picked it up is the size and also the balance. It's a well-balanced remote control. You know, some of them are weird. The whole weight is in the front or in the back and it's not comfortable to hold it. While this one, I didn't have any issue. The weight is pretty centered, so yeah, I really like it. Now, another thing that I liked physically is the buttons over here. Many remote controls have rubber buttons that get sticky and they get a bit disgusting with time because all the hair will get accumulated on them and the dirt and stuff like that. Well, these buttons are still rubber, but they're more hard plastic rather than soft rubber. So in a way, in my opinion, it's better, so they will not get dirty as easy, and the feeling is also much better. Every time you press a button, you have a click. So it's easy to know when you have pressed something, comparing again to other remote controls where they're so mushy that you never know if you have fully pressed the button or not. Here, yeah, you can really feel a click. I don't know if you can even hear it, but yeah, this is another thing I like. You can also connect up to 8 different devices, and you have over here the different devices that are accepted. Honestly, there's so many different devices that you're pretty sure that yours will work with this remote. And to set up, also, that's another thing that I liked, is quite easy. You see there's a magic button. I don't know why they call it like this, but there's a magic button that you need to keep press. Okay, until this light blinks, then you can release that button. Select with the device button which kind of device you want to pair. Let's say it's a TV. I'll make sure TV is highlighted. And then you're going to put the code, because this remote control comes with a very long code list related to your device. And this is about it. You'll be good to go. There's also an automatic way on how this can be paired with your other device. It could be faster, but it's only available with certain brands. But overall, yeah, I'm quite happy on how fast it was to pair. Now, what are the downsides of using one of these? Well, the first one is, if we look in the back here, this remote control takes 4 different batteries, okay? The other ones are hidden here. 4 batteries is quite a lot for a remote control. Usually it's only 2, so yeah, you'll need to budget this, since every time it will stop working, well, you need to have 4 batteries to make it work again, and you know, you need to be prepared. Now, another thing that I disliked using it, in the box over here it says, hey, you can actually use this remote control with their app, and if you turn around, it shows over here that you can set up your device with your remote control using an app. And I thought, well, this will be very easy to have a screen to help me doing that. Well, unfortunately, the app is not that good. So let me just show you the app so you understand what I mean by this. It's very limited and it crashes a lot on my iPhone. And this is the last iPhone 16. It should work perfectly. It's not an old model. Anyway, okay, so let me open the app, and here we go. It crashed just the way I expected it. Let me reopen it. Okay, then you press to add a TV to the remote control, and you see there's a limited amount of brands that this is compatible. This TV remote control is compatible with hundreds of different brands if you enter the code, but on the app, it's only a few of them. Very deceiving. And then let me just select one. Here we go. You see, the app crashed again just by selecting. So it's unusable, really. And it's a shame that a company does not keep an app updated so it works with the last devices. But overall, would I recommend this remote control? Well, in my opinion, still yes. There's other ways to set it up rather than with this app. Okay, you can use codes. As I said, there's an automatic mode, and It has so many buttons that are useful. So just to go quickly, you have apps to show you the apps you have on your TV or other device. Play, pause, skip, go forward. You have also a shortcut for Netflix. This is for YouTube. You have the home button, volume buttons, channel buttons, activity buttons for different devices. Anyway, it's really packed with feature, and once you have set it up, it works well. I didn't have any issues. Again, it's just a shame that the app is not working, because one of the features of this app was that if you lose your remote control somewhere on your couch or somewhere on the ground, you can use the app, and this remote control, let me show you, has a speaker over here, and you'll be able to hear it and find it quickly. Well, the app is not working, so this is not possible, at least in my case. This is it. Again, if you want to purchase one on Amazon, I'll leave links in the description down below towards this one or other universal remote control. It's also supporting my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.